Alright, here's one not on YouTube yet. This is the Fanimation Obvi, controlled by this midget remote. So you can turn the light on and off. And it's controlled by FanSync. This is a DC fandelier, in case you're wondering. Alright, gonna amp it up. I don't know the speeds on this. They are so... It's so confusing how to like change the speeds and everything. So I'm gonna do my best. I'm just gonna give you a range on the medium. And then this should be high. Yeah, that's high. Quiet. Very quiet DC operation. Yeah, that should be it.